this shoe box. Hey YouTube, it's Dan, also known as Art Vandalay, and temporarily I'm a full-time reseller out of Indiana. You may have clicked on this video because you're interested in selling online and just don't know where to start. I don't have any tips or tricks for you, but I was cleaning out and organizing my bedroom yesterday, and all the way back in the closet, I found a bunch of stuff that seems to be worth relisting online. So I'm gonna just show you the stuff I got. Show you that if you dig deep enough in your closet, you probably have stuff to sell also. So stay tuned. So I had this buried in the back of my closet, and this is just a bunch of paperwork that I'll go over on my own later. But I thought this was all it was gonna be. So this was kind of just, it was all buried at the bottom, and then I was like complaining. I was like, man, what did I do? Keep every piece of paper I've ever owned? So I brought this in here for show. And hopefully you don't see that mess I have right here. All right, so I'm gonna put this stuff up on the screen if it's worth anything. This, I don't know if it's worth anything, but it is the Game of Life Simpsons. And this, I got this at Goodwill for, it would have been $1.50. I must have just kept it because Life's like my favorite game. So I don't know if this is worth anything. I have a Simpsons Jeopardy that it does. I've had it in my store for like ever, and I'm just like shocked no one's bought it. I keep on dropping the price on it. I don't know if I initially had kept this probably for me. It's one of my favorite games. This is probably definitely not worth it. I will look it up, and if I could ever, oh, it's brand new. If it's ever a time to sell it, it's gonna be now. So I'll get this listed, I swear, today, because I've been pretty lazy. And this disgusting, sorry, I don't think this is mine. Now, spoiler, this stuff I'd opened this box up because I thought it was just gonna be more paperwork. And I saw the couple things. I moved some stuff on the top, but all right, so this looks kind of cool. So I have my old Discman, nothing in there. I'll have to look that up, see if Phillips jog proof goes for anything. I have my Blockbuster Rewards gold card. This single Studio 35. It's probably not worth anything. Ooh, sweet. I had an Atari. I used to have an Atari Lynx. I sold the Lynx, but I had this game stuck in here. So this is Xylophone for Atari Lynx. I'll have to look that up to see. If you're a youngster, you don't know what a Lynx is. Lynx came out about the same time as a Sega Game Gear. And I asked for one for Christmas, and my mom did all kinds of research and talked to, shout out to if anyone who knows Babbage's, and they said the Lynx had better graphics and everything, but nobody ever bought anything, and they didn't make any games for it hardly. So this is a user manual for my old portable DVD player. I don't think I have that anymore. What is this? Beavis and Butthead Virtual Stupidity CD-ROM game. Okay, so that's cool. I'll have to look that up. The Atari's Slaughter Rule DVDs inside of it, so that's probably nothing. Oh, sweet. Oh, it doesn't have the back to it, man. Dang. It is my old Game Gear Color. That's awesome. I thought I had sold this a long time ago. So, oh man, I hope the thing's in here. Dang. I don't have it. Oh, it's my birthday boy pen. A flower. A cassette of Sam Kinison, leader of the band. That's pretty cool. It is my Cubs Believe bracelet. Oh, sweet. I'll cut that part out. A Dreamcast, a Sega Dreamcast memory, whatever it's called. I just sold my Dreamcast in the fall, so we'll see if that's worth anything. I'll put that stuff up on the screen. A lint brush. This is some kind of adapter for something. Adapters can be worth something, so I'll look that up. Some other kind of adapter. Norelco, so that's some kind of a hair thing that I probably don't have anymore. So I'll throw Norelco again. Man, I really like Norelco. Ooh, a bouncy ball. So hopefully I give you a little motivation. Maybe go check out your closet. Maybe you find something in there that's worth selling. Leave me a comment below if you went and did it and found something that you didn't know you had anymore. Okay, so whether you're a new or experienced reseller, if you could hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. I'm going to release some videos of just how I run my business. I'd like for you to follow along. So I'll see you guys next time.